this up yesterday, and I love it. There's supposed to be tape there, actually. Actually, it's not supposed to look like that. Look at this. I got this in Australia when I signed up for a music club. Wait, is this recording? Okay, good, do this. I signed up for the Dusa music club at Deakin, and I never went. I went one time, and they were doing like karaoke, and I was like, this is not what I thought it was. I thought it was you go there and you kind of jam and stuff, but then they had like, guitar chords to Yellow, I think it was, by Coldplay, and they were like, who wants to sing? I was like, I think I'm gonna go home, and that was that. Anyway, yeah, I really like this. I like this. You know what? This is just a room tour. Fun fact, I don't have a closet. I have everything in shelves here because I don't live here. I don't live here most of the year. So, fun fact, everything I have is in shelves. I have three. I have 3 things full of clothes: jeans, gym clothes, and pajamas. I have 1 shelf for my electronics, my camera, speaker, and this is my GoPro that I haven't used in a while. I have my Focusrite for recording music, and I have, of course, a little microphone, this one, and I have a XLR cable for that to connect everything. Over in this section over here, you cannot see because they are gifts from Australia. There's a heater right below where the camera is. There is a painting up there of the island I live on that is not hung up. What else do we have? There's a teeny tiny little Santa Claus and a Christmas tree. Those are my Christmas decorations for now. Maybe I'll put some more up next week when Martin comes. Can't wait, right? I can't wait. Of course, the mirror. There's trash here, and there's laundry in the bin here, and I got my perfume. This was 15 Australian dollars because I like to spend. I've had this for like about 5 years, and I just got it the new strings attached last year. Wherever I go, like, I'll take that guitar with me. I took it also. It was with me in Brno, and I was able to bring it back before I went to Australia because I didn't really want to take it that far. Like, I did not want it to get all beat up in the, like, airport baggage stuff. I didn't want it to go with all the baggage because it's so important to me, and it's such a nice guitar, and it just got new strings because I was having 2 gigs actually last year. And anyway, people are asking me about my future lately. Like, what am I gonna do when I graduate? Do you think I know? Can y'all just check the job market for me? Let me know, because I do want to get a job. I don't want to get a master's yet. I just want to get my bachelor right now. That's what I'm focused on. And let me tell you, it's not easy work. I've been working on all the information I learned at the internship this whole week. And then next week, Martin comes, a week after that, I start a new job at a little place near here, and I'm just gonna work part-time there while I'm on the island, which is not very long because I'm gonna travel to the US for Christmas, and I'm going to Tennessee. I haven't been there in like a year, so that's gonna be really nice, and I haven't spent Christmas there in 3 years, so that will be really nice. That will be super nice. Then I come back to Europe after Christmas, and I go to my boyfriend's place, and I'm really excited for that. I'm going to spend New Year's with him, have my first ever New Year's kiss. Then I come back to this place, and I work for a month, and then I go maybe back to Czech Republic, but we don't know yet, so we'll see. And just figure it out. So we'll see. I hope that I was in the frame during the entire time I was yapping. We'll find out, because that's how I do. That's how I do it. And I hope you enjoyed this little yap at home, because I sure did. And I'm happy I finally sat down and did this, because I was like procrastinating all week. Like, what am I gonna do for a vlog? What am I gonna do? Easy. Just talk to the camera. And I'll see you in the next video. You might see Martin in the next video. Okay. Alright. Bye.